Yeah guys, just a couple of minutes ago I finished assembling this LUMREK aluminum alloy freestanding bike rack for 4 bikes. I got it from the seller to show you all the really nice details, but still my honest opinion, and you will be able to see everything live here anyway. It's an absolutely awesome vertical bike rack with bike hooks and even 2 hooks for accessories, perfectly for indoor, outdoor, garage, other rooms. If you have been struggling to find enough space for your 4 bikes, then this could be a total game changer. Of course, it took some time to assemble it. It's not a 5-minute thing. I think in total it took me around 2 hours when doing this alone. But the system, how to connect, is absolutely amazing. It's a super innovative design, and as soon as you have found out how this works, it's almost fun to assemble everything. For example, here at the beginning, we just have to secure the nuts here, and then we screw these feet just in here. The second screw is, of course, if you need to adjust the height later, but at the beginning that's enough. Just screw them in here on this side, and of course also this side 4 times. Then we can place them down on the ground, and now here comes this super interesting construction. It's really amazing how easy this works. We always need a set of these angles here and a nut and a screw. The screw is always placed from the outside and the nut of course on the inside. We can already prepare that here. We don't have to use the rails already, and the second screw here on this side, and of course with the built-in washer to the inside, exactly like that. And now here comes the super interesting part. We don't have to open this protection here on the sides, but we can add these angles directly here into the rails. Something like that. Secure them a little bit because they cannot rotate to this side, and now you can see when we just secure them a little bit, they have some nice hold already, but we can still move them around. And now we do the same thing on the other side. Of course you could also slide it in here, but you really don't have to do that. You can just push it here inside and then secure the nut. I think there's no center mark here, so you have to find out where we have the center, but it's not difficult with a measuring tape. And so we do it exactly in all the 10 corners, like this one here as well, and then up vertical pole, exactly same thing in all the 10 corners. It's a rock solid construction made from robust aluminum with a reinforced triangular base, and so it has capacity of up to 300 pounds, which is definitely a lot, way more than my 4 bikes here. It comes also with this universal hook system with PVC coated sliding hooks, which you can adjust exactly to your needs. I've been trying it out 4 bikes on the same side, 2 with the front up and 2 with the front down. Worked also pretty good, but I would say it's a little bit easier when you add them from 2 different sides, but it works both ways, definitely in and out. I've tried this multiple times even alone with our pretty heavy mountain bikes with a lot of accessories, and it was no problem. And I'm just average size, I would say average strength, so I would say definitely no problem even for average strength people or average size people to take out mountain bikes and store them back. Also really nice to access pretty much everything for easy maintenance, cleaning, and it's not only sturdy and easy to assemble, it's also quite beautiful, I would say. Comes with everything, nothing else needed, even the tools included. I mean, maybe not everything totally perfect. It needs maybe 15 minutes to get used to the assembly system, but after that it's just repeating same thing over and over. Just make sure that you have enough time, but after that I think it can be a really awesome thing. I haven't found any major flaws or so. This thing is definitely super solid, super sturdy. For me, definitely a keeper, and so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this bike stand, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.